nothing ever stays the same. Once you let it change. Hey, let it think, let it think. Hey, let it think, let it think, let it think.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will cook egg drop soup. Let's begin. We only need First, let's crack the eggs. Add salt and pepper, then beat it well. Then set it aside. Now, let's add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water to 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. In 4 cups of water, add the chicken cube and let it boil. Now, let's pour the cornstarch. Make sure to mix it in a singular direction, otherwise it will create big gelatine lumps. Let it simmer. Then add the beaten eggs. Pour it in a circular motion. Mix it well, add salt and pepper, and let it cook for a few minutes. Let's now transfer it to our serving bowl. Add some spring onions on top and serve it warm. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more easy cooking ideas.